This thing is insane. All right, Evan, so what we got going on here?
We got the full Soul exhaust system. We got the comp headers, the valve muffler, the catless pipes. It's ready to go.
How do you think it's gonna sound?
Wicked.
This is a Soul package. Is this the cat's meow here?
It is. Yep. It's a full package from them.
You think the 0 to 60 time's gonna pick up?
Probably at least a second, I would imagine.
Just a second? I was thinking like 2. I mean, with the Soul system, it might be 3. It might be 0 seconds. So, okay. So we got it here.
We already talked about the everything comes in the package. You have all your hardware. You know, basically when you change the headers out in these cars, you know, from the factory, it's got a, you know, hexagon. Or now you're gonna go with a barrel type, so it slides right in there. And then you get all your miscellaneous hardware for your valves. So in your valve system, you're gonna change over your valves from the stock pipes to the aftermarket pipes. You'll get little things like you got springs here, like extenders. You have the adapters for the harness for that, which are gonna be covered in a heat wrap. You know, these basically blankets for your O2s so they don't get hot. You'll have a couple of plugs. If you look right here, you can see that the headers have 1-2 spots for O2s. You have your clamps. You know, these are going to be for your tips and miscellaneous clamps that I have back there, and gaskets for the system. And you also get the install guide, which has kind of a layout of what all you have here, and then a quick little walkthrough of what all needs to be done to get this system printed in color. They didn't spare any change on that one, so you'll have that handy as well. But also, you know, we're going to be here to show you a video, and overall really excited about this. Worked with Soul for a very long time, been running them on all our cars, everything from the GT4 that we had to our RS and so on and so forth. So really excited to do this, and then we'll have Stage 4 come out here and do a tune for us, who's also kicking ass out there, just single shoot flames and make cool noises, and we're really excited about it. And yeah, so here we go. With the headers, the valve exhaust, everything like that. Last thing is going to be your cat. There's a couple options here. You can go with a sport cat, or you can go with a catless. We're going catless. Your valve system's still built in here, so you're retaining that. So if you want it to be a little bit quieter, that's not a problem. We're still retaining it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go and start taking the car apart. Basically, the under panels, the factory exhaust, O2s, all that stuff, and then we're going to start putting these parts on as we go.
All right, so we're getting started now. We got the instructions. We got the tools. We're gonna roll through this thing. So first things first, we're gonna go and lower the under panels, get those off the car, and expose the rear exhaust system. So it should be a pretty quick process here, but we'll just kind of walk you through it and let you guys see exactly what it takes to get this done. So we're gonna loosen these up. We've already moved the bolts here. We've removed the bolts here. Our hope is when we loosen these two up, this will come free. We'll remove these 2 clamps and the whole system will just come down. Down like this. Look at that. You got the scale so we can weigh it? And that is how you remove the exhaust system.
How many miles on this car?
600 miles. All right, so now we're gonna test the weight savings. So it's 17 pounds, so 10 pounds basically, right? Yep. So 7 pounds lighter, so you're saving 14 pounds on the headers, 38. So you got 20 and 20, that's 40 pounds.
40 pounds, but we gotta add these back in. 6 pounds, 3.
So 55 pounds
Yep.
for the Soul system, and then we're at 34 and what, 38?
17 pounds.
17 pounds savings.
So we're gonna use the forward hole for the O2. So we're going to block this off on both sides. We also need to take the sensor that goes for the second.
That's for your cats.
So we come through here and around that. There's a couple of clips up here, nothing too crazy. That should give us enough room on this side. On that side.
Okay, so correction. You're not going to use this at all. The black one goes in the front here, and the blue one goes back here. The kit doesn't come with gaskets. In this case, typically you'll replace these, but since this car only has 500 miles on it, we're just going to reuse these. It shouldn't be a problem at all. So now we're removing the valves from this system here, transferring it over to the cat delete. with the valve on it. So it's pretty straightforward. It does come with new hardware to install it. Because we're going to tune this car, we don't need to use the valve system Soul uses. We're going to use the valve tune. And with that tune, the reason why people tune it is because when you put in sport mode, it doesn't activate till you get to a certain RPM. But when you tune the car, you can tune the valve to when you turn the valve on, it just turns it on or off. There is no intermediate, so to speak. But you can only do that with a tuned car or if you use the aftermarket valve system Soul provides. But I want to retain the valve button, so we're just going to use that. All right, so we're just getting everything pre-fitted. And this is how you swap the valve over here. So you're going to take the other valve off the factory muffler and throw it in right here. So that thing should just line up.
Yeah, there's a little cutout.
It's got a little cutout in there.
Yeah.
Lines up with that, and then you just install it. And then they give you new hardware and spacers. But we went and wiped it now. That way there's no stains or anything when you start the exhaust and it gets hot, it will stain it. So we're gonna go and do the majority of the wipe down now and then a final wipe down the car. But just doing it now helps us get to any spaces that we can't get to.
So in the instructions, you'll see this clamp right here for the collectors, but it looks like they updated a different style. So when you have both styles in your instructions or what you get, make sure to use this black one here because this one is much too small.
All right, so here we are. We've got these clamps on, we've got these on, and now we're doing the slip joints. Right here, you got these two. So we gotta do this top one still, and then we gotta plug these valves in, and then the exhaust, and then final retort.
So we've got everything installed. We've got the headers, the O2s. We did notice the O2s had a little bit of slack right here. So push the zip tie there, keep a little bit of tension on them, keep them off the exhaust. I got the cat bypass pipes on and the center muffler. Got them both sides. Installed pretty smoothly. You know, it's always a couple little things that are painful, but nothing too bad. Now we're going to lower it down to about eye level so we can adjust these tips. Make sure that they're equal across this way, and then make sure that the up and down is equal as well.
First drive, we got normal mode, valve open. Let's see what it sounds like. The valve's not open, so when you downshift, it doesn't sound like it could, but it's still good.
Woo!